Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today we are going to talk about something wild. So we can collect many seeds from the wild, and here I've got seeds from Broadleaf Plantain, and they are really tiny. I just wanted to show you before I use them. Today I was baking some chickpea buns, and I use sunflower seeds and also these tiny plantain seeds, as you can see, so you can use them in baking. The other way how I use them is when I make chia pudding. So I put it there, I leave it to soak usually overnight, and they absorb the water, and they are really nutritious along the chia seeds as well. And I managed to find a few of the leftovers. So basically this is when you want to collect and harvest them, when they are sort of like this big. I wouldn't bother collecting seeds from like smaller one. I only collecting them this year because I find like really nice huge stalks. So basically you separate them, and as you can see I've got still a bit of chaff there. So what you need to do, make sure you do it outside. You just blow it, and it should really separate the seeds and the chaff. Be careful because I've got long hair, so basically you will have it all over your face, so make sure you tie your hair. Be wary what you're wearing. Last time I was wearing hoodie, I came inside and all these bits were of course in my hood. So yes, just a bit of warning, but yes, it's really good. It's not difficult to separate them. I've got also Ribwort plantain, which has got like the smaller stalks. So because it's really close to me, and I can use it whenever. I'm also collecting Ribwort plantain seeds from my garden, but they are really small, and you know, if you want like collect proper seeds, I would go with this version. They are really rich in vitamins and fiber. You can Google plenty of things about them. Anything from wild, it's really boosted with minerals and vitamins, which it's hard to get from traditional diet from supermarket. So this is why I am trying to add something into my diet from the wild. It really resonates with me. I am out in the nature, and you know, you are more in touch with the season. Of course, forage responsibly. You should never strip off everything, leave plenty for the wild animals. And another thing, I am making usually my vegetable seasoning. So I am using various vegetable peels, and I put it in blender, and you can put it into the mix as well. What I've got here is also nettle seeds, which I'm adding to my diet, and I've got here some dried papaya seeds, which are also edible, and it's a great pepper substitute. If you didn't know, if you like, put everything into blender, make your own spices and mixes, whatever makes you happy. And if I've got it like that when it's like in the cupboard and I am cooking, so it's really natural for me to use. I am using this into porridge as well. So just think of how you can use it, where you can see it, because there is no point if you harvest this, you know, and make the effort and then don't use it. I hope you find it useful. Happy foraging, happy healthy life, and let me know in the comments below if you use broadleaf plantain seeds yourself, and what are your favorite recipes. Somewhere I find out you can also make flour, and if you make flour, let me know, because I don't know whether I can basically use it all, or how do you make flour from this, so we can learn from each other. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe now if you haven't done so, leave me some comments, share with your friends and family, spread some love, and thank you so much for watching. Stay amazing. From my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.